Hope you have seen my last video on tunnel about aquatic animals, aquatic gallery in Science City, Ahmedabad. Now, what I have thought is I am going reverse and showing you one by one what is there inside. I won't give you much detail about the particular fishes, but hope you can enjoy. I am moving a little bit, probably not slow, but as a routine, so that you can just glimpse of the every wonderful nature. The environment and the water environment which is inside of the aquarium is so beautiful, and the water is so clean. You can see it here. There are two sides it is located, so left side is also, and the details of it is also given to you, so that you can read and you can understand what type of fishes it is. Okay, so now I am showing you another one as well. Now moving towards the left side, they are moving in such a groupism manner, huh? They are together. According to me, unity is the strength. They are showing us unity is the strength. What a wonderful it is. Fishes understand that unity is strength, but humans does not understand that unity is strength. What a wonderful this is a very wonderful fish, purple color. I haven't seen any purple color fish in my lifetime of 33 years probably, and I am not aware of it, even though that there is a purple color fish. And this fish is very wonderful, like a rocket. Purple color fish, great fish to enjoy. This is ray fish. Ray fish is like a ray. It moves very speedily. See, you can see this ray fish is coming. And this, even we haven't seen any kind of fishes anywhere in any other aquarium, and the biggest of all is coming to me. Wow, 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 wow. What a great it is. Hello. Now, the little ones. You must be aware about this Clark's anemone fish and clownfish. It's generally a common species, but very wonderful to look. Very nice to look. Then we are moving ahead. They are also showing you how many kinds of fishes are available at what depth inside. 10,920 meter. Okay, you can find Mariania snailfish. So this is like a meter. Okay, if you go down even 2 kilometers far from Mount Everest, you will find there is a fish also inside. So Marina Trench is a place where you can find it. However, this is showing you the length, and you can see that the most of the fish species are available for up to 400 meters, right? Okay, this, and then slowly and gradually it decreases, huh? So let's move ahead fast. I got the notice of the store, and okay, you can find this. Very fine, very wonderful one. Very wonderful one. Orange color. And very nice. Oh, what a fish. What a fish. What a creature. Great one. Hello. See the fins of it. And it has a different color, yellow color here. Wow. We have to understand that the nature is so beautiful. See, it's also one kind of fish. Oh, so giant. Probably, if I won't move fast, it will take at least 2 hours to complete this video, and probably nobody then after interested to see what a beautiful color God has placed inside of them. Huh? What a beautiful color they have. We should thank each and every moment to the God that we have been given a human brain. Human brain is the most active brain according to me, because we by own selves do